Rasheed Broadbell takes gold medal in 110-meter hurdles for Caribbean 1-2 finish at Commonwealth Games. Parchment, a no-show. Caribbean men took gold and silver medals in the men's 110-meter hurdles at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham on Thursday, August 4th. Jamaica's Rasheed Broadbell took home the gold, running a personal best 13.08 seconds to equal the Commonwealth Games record set by Colin Jackson in 1990. Barbados' Shane Brathwaite completed the Caribbean 1-2, running a good race to finish in 13.30 seconds for second place, ahead of England's Andrew Posey, who had to settle for the bronze medal with his time of 13.37 seconds. The Olympic champion Hansel Parchment had also been scheduled for a competition in this 110-meter final, where he was supposed to run out of lane 3, but unfortunately, he did not turn up to face the starters.